Are you a sovereign citizen? People ask me that shit all the time. No. I'm a holder of a compact of free association. So, like, let's kill one of the biggest misconceptions right now. Like, when somebody asks me if I'm a sovereign citizen, I have to tell them that term is literally an oxymoron. You can't be both sovereign and a citizen at the same time, right? And really, to be honest, that's just kind of used against people like me to really discredit us, who really trying to learn their private rights and step out of this public commercial system and live a private life. So I'm a holder and owner of a compact of free association, which means I've declared my status as a living American under the organic constitution, you could say. So not as a statutory U.S. citizen or a district citizen, which, let's be honest, it's just a federal franchise at the end of the day. See, I'm a friend of the United States. I'm not a neutral. I'm not, an enemy. I'm a friend, all right? But I reside in the U.S. non-statutorily within the Union State but I reside non-statutorily in the Union States of the United States, all right? Not in the occupied, military zone of the District of Columbia. I have a private military, and nor does these tribal nations and stuff. They don't have a private military either, right? So I rely on the protections of the United States, but I never gave up my birthright to become a citizen in a corporate sense. Fuck no. Like, I comply with the law of God, which is exclusive equity, and the law of the land. Like, no codes, no statutes, none of that shit I'm going to allow for them to treat me like property. All right. So now here's where equity comes in. Equity acts in personam. So it's about living person, the living man or woman, not about that government name or that fiction, right? That means when I go to court, I'm not fighting as the government name, the all caps name on the birth certificate. I'm appearing as a beneficiary or a private trustee or private grantor of my estate and trust. All right. That's why jurisdiction matters. That's why status comes first. See, equity regards as done what ought to be done. So if I'm the rightful heir, the one who's standing with clean hands, then exclusive equity is going to honor that. So don't anybody try to box you in with labels like sovereign citizen or no shit like that. We're not like anti-government. We are pro-constitution, pro-exclusive equity, pro-truth, pro-birthrights. But this is why I come in, because I'm gonna help you understand, your private rights so that you can help defend yourself against these government agencies that violate the Constitution. If you're ready to tap in with me and leave that public alone and have control over your life and understand your standing in law, then you gotta tap in with us at MatisseAcademy.com. We got the Black Chip community. It's only $97 a month, right? For you to learn about your rights with all the support that you need. But we got an affiliate program too. So if you refer 3 people to the community, well, you already gonna be in profit and making money every month residually. And then you can just post my content to make money for, in games. And we got plenty of opportunity, plenty of support, all right? So let's just say, if you're not progressing inside of Matisse Academy, that's probably your fault, because there's so much support there. This is a community full of black sheep that are, have like-minded thinking, and they're here to uplift you when things are not going so well and to celebrate your wins. You can pop your shit in my community. You know what I mean? We're gonna celebrate that shit. Nobody's looking down on you, anything like that. All right? So I look forward to seeing you, man. Tap in with us.